Welcome to another episode of The Journey Through Time. Today, we will embark on a journey to explore the remarkable story of the Indian Space Research Organization, more popularly known as ISRO. We take you on a historical voyage from the visionary Homi Bhabha's contributions to ISRO's humble beginnings with sounding rockets, leading up to India's significant achievement as the fourth country to ever land on the moon. Our story commences with the brilliant scientist Dr. Homi Bhabha. Driven by a vision of harnessing space technology for India's advancement, Bhabha played a pivotal role in laying the foundation for ISRO. Bhabha was a renowned Indian scientist and visionary who made significant contributions to the fields of nuclear physics and scientific research. Born on October 30th, 1909, in Mumbai, India, his life's work left an indelible mark on India's scientific landscape. This Cambridge-educated engineer pursued a doctorate in nuclear physics under the guidance of Nobel laureate Lord Ernest Rutherford. Dr. Bhabha played a pivotal role in establishing the Atomic Energy Commission of India in 1948 and served as its first chairman. Under his leadership, India's nuclear program made significant strides, including the establishment of the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research in Mumbai and the Atomic Energy Establishment, Mumbai, which is now known as the Bhabha Atomic Research Center. In 1962, Homi Bhabha's vision materialized with the formation of the Indian National Committee for Space Research, INCOSPAR, a precursor to ISRO. This committee was instrumental in shaping India's initial foray into the realm of space research. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, was a strong supporter of Bhabha's scientific mission. He believed that space research was essential for India's development and provided Bhabha with the necessary resources to carry out his work. Nehru's support was instrumental in the early success of ISRO. Our next hero of the story is Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram was a physicist who graduated from Cambridge and received his PhD from the University of Manchester and was interested in space research. He founded the Physical Research Laboratory in Ahmedabad in 1969. Vikram Sarabhai was a visionary scientist who believed that space technology could be used to improve the lives of ordinary Indians and to promote economic development. Vikram Sarabhai and Homi Bhabha collaborated to establish India's first rocket launching station in Tumba, Kerala. The station was called the Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station. Armed with limited resources and a small team of dedicated scientists, INCOSPAR embarked on a series of pioneering experiments, including the launch of sounding rockets. These missions provided valuable insights into the Earth's upper atmosphere and laid the groundwork for more ambitious endeavors. These early missions were crucial in establishing a foothold in space research. Sarabhai and Bhabha worked together at INCOSPAR. On August 15, 1969, a momentous occasion unfolded as INCOSPAR evolved into the Indian Space Research Organization, or the ISRO. This transformation marked the official beginning of ISRO's voyage into the uncharted territories of space exploration. The inaugural ceremony of ISRO was a historic event, attended by dignitaries and scientists who shared Homi Bhabha and Vikram Sarabhai's dream of propelling India into the cosmos. In 1975, ISRO achieved a significant milestone with the launch of India's first satellite. This marked India's initial steps into the domain of space technology. India's first satellite's successful journey to orbit showcased India's determination and technical capabilities in space exploration. Following this success, ISRO embarked on the development of the Rohini series of satellites. In 1980, Rohini satellite RS-1 was launched into orbit, paving the way for communication, remote sensing, and meteorological satellites. The Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, has achieved many successes in its history, but success was built over repeated failures. These failures have been learning experiences that have helped ISRO to improve its technologies and processes. For example, the failure of the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle in 1993 led to the development of a new launch vehicle, the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, or the GSLV. The GSLV has since been used to successfully launch several satellites into orbit. In 2008, ISRO made history with the successful launch of Chandrayaan-1, India's first lunar mission. This marked a monumental achievement in India's space exploration journey. Chandrayaan-1 was India's first deep space mission. It played a crucial role in the discovery of water molecules on the moon. The spacecraft carried NASA's Moon Mineralogy Mapper M3, an imaging spectrometer that helped confirm the discovery of water locked in minerals on the moon. In 2013, ISRO captured the world's attention with the Mars Orbiter mission, affectionately known as Mangalyaan. This mission aimed to study Mars's surface and atmosphere. Mangalyaan orbited Mars for 1 Martian year, which is equivalent to 687 Earth days, and collected data about the planet's atmosphere, surface, and water. The mission was a success, and India became the first nation to reach Mars in its first attempt. In 2019, ISRO embarked on Chandrayaan-2, India's second lunar mission, with the aim of further exploring the moon's surface and discovering water molecules. Chandrayaan-2 symbolized India's commitment to peaceful space exploration and international collaboration in the pursuit of scientific knowledge. Though the mission was not a 100% success story, the lander module crashed on the surface of the moon while landing. However, it provided ISRO with the resolve to conduct the Chandrayaan-3 mission. Chandrayaan-3 is the third Indian lunar exploration mission that soft-landed on the moon. It is the first mission that landed on the moon's south pole, which is a region that has not been explored by any other country at the time of its success. The mission also carried a number of scientific instruments to study the moon's surface and atmosphere. The success of Chandrayaan-3 is a major boost for India's space program and will help to position India as a leader in the global space race. In the future, ISRO plans for interplanetary exploration, including missions to Venus and beyond. Most notably, the Gaganyaan program, India's human space flight mission, represents a significant leap forward. Gaganyaan will send Indian astronauts into space, solidifying India's status as a space superpower and paving the way for further space exploration. ISRO has achieved many remarkable feats in its relatively short lifespan. It has launched satellites into orbit, sent probes to the Moon and Mars, and even developed its own cryogenic engine technology. All of this has been done at a fraction of the cost of other space agencies from other countries. ISRO's low-cost approach is due to a number of factors. It has a strong focus on indigenous development, which reduces the need to import expensive technology. It has a talented workforce of scientists and engineers who are dedicated to their work. It has also helped to inspire other developing countries to pursue their own space programs. ISRO is a shining example of what can be achieved when a country has the will and the determination to succeed. Thanks to the vision of scientists and political leaders of the country, today, ISRO has become a major player in the global space industry. The Indian Space Research Organization's journey, from Homi Bhabha's visionary contributions to its humble beginnings with sounding rockets, and its subsequent evolution into the fourth country to land on the moon, is a testament to human determination and innovation. As we conclude this historical voyage, remember that ISRO's story is not just about reaching for the stars. It's about pushing the boundaries, fostering international cooperation, and making space exploration accessible to all. Keep looking up, because ISRO shows us that the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning of what we can achieve together in the vast cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through ISRO's history. Join us next time as we embark on more captivating chapters in the annals of history. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and never cease to nurture your curiosity. Thank you for tuning in to this journey through time. If, like us, you find the journey through our past utterly enthralling, we invite you to join us on future expeditions. Please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel for more such journeys into the realms of science, history, and imagination. Until our next adventure, let your curiosity soar and continue to explore the boundless wonders of our world.